On the occasion of International Women's Day, we are here to present unsung part of Indian mythology. Indian mythology of the Shakti, the power, the goal that changed everything. The center of attraction or the center of story of the very dynamic task, Ramayana. Sita, Bhumi, the Bhumija, the daughter of earth, the ones who presented, who rely upon from the earth. आओ त विमर्श करी सीता मिथिला के एकटा वॉरियर कोना छथि और कोना अखन तक क्यों उनका बारे में बेसी नहीं जान पेले। आओ बात करी सीता द वॉरियर ऑफ मिथिला के। सीता के सकल देखी झकती जनक ऋषि, अब सीता रहली कुमारी गे माई। अब हो वशिष्ठ मुनि दिन बानी कालू, सीता के बियाह बड़ उताहुल गे माई। गाय के गोबरा से अंगनानी पावल, सोना के कलश लगायब गे माई। अब हो बजनिया भैया बजबा बजाओ, सीता के होई छै बियाह गे माई। अब हो वशिष्ठ मुनि दिन मानी कालू, सीता के लगन बड़ उताहुल गे माई। गाय के गोबरा से अंगनानी पावल, सोनमा के कलश चढ़ाय के माई। दान करले बसलन राजा जनक ऋषि, आँखिया सा छहराई नोर गे माई। पेट बाजे रहते बेटी फेर सा बियाही तौ, बेटी के बियाह लेने जाई गे माई। सोन बाजे रहते बेटी फेर सा गढ़ब तौ, सेनुरा नहीं फेर लो जाई गे माई। सेनुरा नहीं फेर लाई जाई गे माई। अरे मैडम, हाँ एते सामान लो को कत जाय छी? बस कनी ओ पुलिया नहीं छै ओतऽ तक जाय छियै। ओ दूर वाला? हाँ हाँ जे उम्हरे छै। त एते भारी सामान लो को हाँ असगरे जाय छी, हमरो ओतबे जो आके लाओ हम पकड़ ले छी कनी सामान। नहीं नहीं अहाँ क्या तकलीफ करब, छोड़ दियो, हम एते जवाब छै, हम चल जाब कतो। देखियो सामान त भारी लादी है और असगरे जबै तो पता नहीं कखन तक पहुंचबे। जिदियाओ नहीं, ला हम पकड़ ले छी। ठीक छै। सामान तो भारी रहे से तो ठीके कहै छियै। अहाँ नहीं भेटतो तब पता नहीं हम ओत्ता से इम्हर केना आबितो। हम तो पहले कहत रहो सामान पहले दे देतो तो कनी जल्दी आ जेतो। सेहो बात छे। अहाँ भेट गेलो तैला हम टाइम पर पहुंच पेलो, नहीं तो पता नहीं हमरा और कते देर लगता। अहाँ के बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
अरे कोनो बात नहीं, अब आ जाओ, हम पहुंचा देलो।
ठीक छे। अरे भाई कौन थी वो मैडम?
अच्छा वो जो अभी गई?
हाँ हाँ वही जिसे तुम मैडम मैडम कह के बोल रहे थे।
वो थी तो मैडम, पर मैडम नहीं है।
क्या मतलब है? मैडम थी और मैडम नहीं है?
मतलब ये कि स्कूल में नहीं पढ़ाती पर फिर भी मैडम है।
वाह ये अनूठी बात है, स्कूल में नहीं पढ़ाती लेकिन मैडम है।
क्या है कि उनकी जिंदगी खुद अनूठी है, जानना चाहोगे?
अरे जरूर, इन्हीं सब चीजों में तो मेरा दिलचस्पी है।
Knowing who really she was, we need to get into her life and get to know the real her, the real Madam. At the merely age of 14 or 15, she got married and had 2 beautiful kids. But something just happened and her life, it's got shattered out.
तुम चले गए, तुम्हारे जाने के बाद तुम्हारा परिवार और ये समाज मानो सब चले गए। तुम तो चले गए लेकिन तुम अपने जाने के बाद हमें छोड़ गए। मैं, तुम्हारे दोनों बच्चे, उनके बारे में भी नहीं सोचा कि उनका क्या होगा। बिना बाप के इस समाज में लोग उन्हें क्या कहेंगे। मैं अकेले एक औरत होके ऐसे समाज में रह के उन्हें कैसे बड़ा करूंगी, एक बार को भी नहीं सोचा। सब मुझ पर अकेला लाद कर एक बोझ बनाकर तुम ऐसे कैसे चले गए। तुम चले गए, तुम्हारे जाने के बाद ये समाज, तुम्हारा परिवार, इन सब ने मुझे इतने ताने दिए। एक पल को तो मेरा मन कर रहा था कि सब कुछ छोड़ के तुम्हारी तरह चली जाऊं, लेकिन फिर तुम्हारी तरह कायर नहीं हूं, अपने बच्चों का ना सोचूं। अपने दोनों बच्चों के लिए मैंने खुद अकेले, मैं कह सकती हूं कि मैं अपने बच्चों की माँ और बाप दोनों हूं। मैंने उनके लिए दोनों का फर्ज निभाया है और उन दोनों को इतना काबिल बनाया है कि वो कभी किसी को भी छोड़कर ऐसे नहीं जाएंगे। तुम्हारी तरह नहीं बनाया है मैंने उन्हें, ना मैंने उन्हें अपनी तरह बनाया है। मैंने उन्हें बस एक इंसान बनाया है जो इस पूरी दुनिया में सबकी मदद करेगा और किसी को छोड़कर नहीं जाएगा।
So that's what Sita, the warrior of Mithila, was. Every one of us know the story, or I say the dynamic text of Ramayana, but the perspective of Rama. None of us know what the Sita felt when she got a 14 years exile. Knowing her whole story on the perspective of Sita, we get to know into the life of how she born, how she got the name, how her parents born, how she become a warrior. So during a trip to Janak, the king of Mithila and his family and his wife Sunaina find a child on the road being protected by a vulture. They adopt child and name her Sita, the Bhumija. As an adolescent, Sita sent to the ashram of Rishi Swatketu. For her studies, there she learns about martial art and she gains knowledge on different subjects. When Sita is 14 years old, Maharishi Vishwamitra, head of the Malyaputra tribe who served the next Vishnu, visits Swatketu's ashram impressed by Sita's skill. And she And there, he elected Sita as the seventh Vishnu, but she had to keep a secret. It also wins the trust and the hope of Jatayu, and Jatayu, was a Naga member of Malyaputra. After Sita returned to Mithila, she is bereaved upon her mother's Sunena deaths. She also had to take care of her younger sister Urmila. With Janak being engrossed in spiritual work, and Sita is made the Prime Minister of Mithila. She is able to make any reforms on the kingdom with the help of a childhood friend Samichi, who served as the chief police force. After Mithila financially conditions stabilized, Sita visited the Malyaputra capital of city of Agyakotam. Sita planned a marriage alliance with Ram, though Swayamvar, but it's also emerged learned that the Lanka king Ravana and his brother Kumbhakaran has also came there. She manipulated him and announced him that for the first suitor, and Ram got selected and won the Swayamvar, and she married Sita. While his brother Lakshman marries Urmila, the next day Ravan designed Mithila with 10,000 soldiers, and Ram is forced to use the biological weapon Argasatra by Vishwamitra, who emotionally blackmailed Ram, even though it's urged to be forbidden by Lord Rudra. Ram returns to Ayodhya and decided to take a 14 years exile as a punishment for breaking Lord Rudra's rule. Sita holds a grudge against Vishwamitra for forcing Ram to use the weapon and never speak to him. Together with Lakshman, she joins Ram for the exile. But enlist hope for the Jatayu and his men to protect Ram and supply the trio, the anti-aging drinks, foods, and even the somras. Numerous incidents take place during their exile, and 13 years pass by. One day with Ram and Lakshman out hunting, the camp is attacked by Ravan, his soldier. Sita rushes and she wounded Jatayu, but she loses the fight against so many soldiers. She abducted and she carried unconscious into Pushpak Viman. Once she regains her conscience and attempts killing Ravan in the vehicle, but it's stopped by a woman drawing a ebel to her throat. With Ravan being alerted, Sita turns back and twisted. It started to see that this is Samichi, her childhood friend, revealing that she always been a traitor all along. राजा जनक जी के एक बेटी सीता, एक बेटी सीता से हो को ना सासुर जाए, से हो को ना सासुर जाए, से हो को से हो को ना सासुर जाए. Sita, the warrior of Mithila. The prevailing concept about the Ramayan's female procrastinate just as much as its traditional feminist narrative. The story doesn't attempt to see the things from the point of view of women craving to represent. It deals instead with her evolution as a human being. A woman of unmarkable birth who went to become the queen at a time when blood meant everything to the world. She was an adopted child who went to the rule land in a royal family where blood is everything. It takes immense strength to a character achieve all she has. Sita's story at the pinnacle of her strength needed to be explored. What one has in the end, just a mythological story. Retold, there is also build-up of defining the philosophy of a perfect society,
how ruler should rule and duties of every citizen of a kingdom. The role of dharma and the duties. Much of meant to narrate comes from the discussion of the importance social system and more the balance between feminine and masculine ways of life. Thus, Amish attempt breaking the stereotypes in effect conducting to his endeavor to build new social constructions. Sita is hot-tempered girl, a warrior princess like Raya in this world of Disney princess.
राजा जनक जी के एक बेटी सीता, एक बेटी सीता से हो को ना सासुर जाए, से हो को ना सासुर जाए, से हो को ना सासुर जाए. Every woman is a warrior in her soul that never gives up, that fights against the adversity and fights for the dreams, that moves forward firmly, that isn't overcome by blows or doesn't bow down to harshness of life. A woman with a warrior in her soul is a woman that can count on herself, that understands her shadow, that elevates herself through the dance of life. She's aware, she's understand herself. She doesn't have just one tonality. She's a rainbow. However, if we stop think about it, we realize that we have an immense number of reasons to be amazed by ourselves. Do not to tune our backs on or ourselves, but instead to tell the truth. Because sometimes our warrior get hurt for not speaking the truth, for giving up in her life, or to the sorrow, for letting that which harms the ups to go unchallenged. As if we were a form of self-punishment or inner revenge. That's why we let our warrior breathe. We have to get rid of the people that try to sniffle her. That we must scream to the world that we are on the world to walk the determination. When we succeed in getting rid of the most of the emotional garbage that dims our warrior, the laughter, the self-love, revitalizing energy, the lifting moods will us from within. If you have ever tried to fit into a mold or you have failed, you probably will have been lucky. You may be in exile, you have protected your soul. It's worse than remain in a place we don't belong it at all, than to be lost or for by seeking the psychic and the spiritual kinship we need. It's never a mistake to seek what we need. Never. A woman doesn't need anyone to complete her. She is like having someone by the side of expect her completely. She is valuable. She herself is infallible and archer with independent targets which doesn't support submission. Therefore, the strength of the female sense advocates and calls for gender equality. The removing barriers and imposition of a society has managed to make parts of the female identity undesirable. Sometimes the soul, the warrior, has to remain silent. Her mind, her work, dignity to repair her heart, piece by piece, which has been broken by the humiliation and sadness generated and the hypocrisy that which we have unfortunately encountered. राजा जनक जी के एक बेटी सीता, एक बेटी सीता से हो को ना सासुर जाए, से हो को ना सासुर जाए.
हो